Hi everyone, I'll show you this multi-tool dining set that I have. So this is a close-up of the item itself. First you need to separate the fork with the spoon and the other set. So push this down and you can retrieve it. So how it's connected is that you can see these two parts here. So what you need to do is you need to put this together like this and push it up, then you'll lock. Okay, to unlock, just push it down, then it'll come out. And then this is a fork set. And this is the other set. So you can see there's a mechanism here. So this is a dining knife side. A dining knife. For your bread or fish and all the variety of things. Alright. Locks up, so when you press this down to lock it and open this close. So this is the spoon. And you get a bottle opener for your drinks. Interesting. Alright, bottle opener. I think that pretty much covers it. I'm gonna check the user manual for in case if there's additional information. So bottle opener, spoon. Oh, there's one more. Is a bottle and can opener, which is here. Here it is. So load it back up. So this is the bottle and can opener. Alright. So there you go, this is the dining set that I have. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And if you would like to buy this, you can let me know. I can sell this to you. If you have wholesale interest, you can also contact me. And thank you so much everyone for joining. Bye and see you guys next time.